Hello, it's Dan Bunker from United Learning's EdTech team. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to use tabs in Teams. Tabs can be very useful for quickly helping children to navigate to the content that you want them to find. You add a tab to a channel in a team by going to the plus button up by where it says Posts, Files and Notes. So I click plus and a tab is added. So I've got 4 channels here. I'm going to add a new tab to each of the channels. I'm going to start off with a channel I've got called Wellbeing, and I'm going to add a tab to that. When I click on Add a Tab, it'll show me various options and apps, and I'm just going to go through the most useful ones, I think, for teachers. I'm going to start off by adding a YouTube tab. Now that will be a single video from YouTube, which we could change on a fairly regular basis. So I'm going to click on YouTube, and then I'll need to paste in the link to the video that I want to appear on the tab. Well, I'm going to get my children to use the PE with Joe Wicks video. So I'm going to click on share, and I'm going to copy that particular YouTube link. And when I go back to my Teams here, I can paste in that link. I can post to the channel about that, so everybody is alerted. It'll be fairly obvious as well that they'll have a new tab, but I might as well post to the channel about it as well. I'm just going to click on the search button, check it's the right video. That looks like the one. Click on it to confirm, and then click save. That video's right there in the channel on the tab. So the children can just go to the channel, navigate across, find the right YouTube tab that I've put on there, PE with Joe, and there it is, nice and easy for them to play back, find that video. Okay, let's add a different sort of tab. This time I'm in Maths, and I'm going to add the White Rose website for Year 6 home learning. So if I find the website that I want to use, here it is. I want to be able to find this in the tab, so very easy to navigate. I'm going to copy the website link, go back to my channel where I want the tab, Year 6 Maths, click on the plus sign, and the tab I'm going to add this time is a website. So I have a look through, find the tab that matches. That's called website. What do I want to call it? I'm going to call it White Rose Maths. And paste in the link that I've just copied. Post to the channel about it. Yes. Click save. Now what I find is a new tab that just frames that whole website within my Teams. The children don't have to leave the environment of Teams. My tab here will just have everything in here as normal. The videos will play right from within Teams with very little work from me. I'm now going to English. I'm going to put in a different website link. United Learning have access to Espresso Education, which has some great resources. This set of resources are all to do with English and speech marks. There's a quiz, there's a video and an activity. So this is the site I want to use. Select the link and copy it. Because the children need to log into this site, I might post the general login details we've been given in the channel. So the first time they click on the tab, they'll have to log in. But then it will take them straight to this activity. So back to my English channel, add a tab. This time, again, it's going to be a website, and then I'm going to call it Espresso punctuation, whatever the activity happens to be. Paste in your link, post to the channel, save. Okay, so there's that activity. And the final tab I'm going to add is in the general channel, and that's going to be a tab for the teachers in this particular class. And I'm going to click on the add button, and this time I'm going to add something called the Insights app. That gives us some data analysis about how many children are completing assignments, accessing various parts of the team. So it gives us a little bit of a kind of a data report on usage. So I'm going to click on Insights, and I'm not going to the post to the channel on this, and then I'm going to save, and then Insights will be added. Only the teachers will be able to see this, and there's not much to see here at the moment, but over time I'll get a list of the various activities that the children have done, whether their assignments are on time, etc. So over a period of time, this could become a very useful tool for analysing the level of engagement and so on and so forth. You might want to think, well, what does this look like for the children? I'm going to just get a view up here, which is a child or a pupil view of this team. So let's go start at the bottom. We'll go to Wellbeing. It's the teacher has posted that there's a new tab called PE with Joe. I can either click on that link there or just go to the tab, and there will be my YouTube video. I'm going to my maths area now. Again, there's a new post saying about White Rose Maths. I can either click on that to open the tab or go to the tab itself. There's the website embedding nicely in my team. My English, again, Espresso, slightly different this time. I've already logged in, but otherwise it would just give me a login name, a login credential box where I'd put in the student name and the password. And then the general tab, nothing to see for pupils here because you'll notice the Insights was for staff only. So only the teachers will be able to see that. So that's a quick overview of tabs. It's a very useful way of sorting navigation out for your pupils and having content straight there for them within the Teams environment.